Hi guys, you see there where I'm coming from is my village home. So I just want to take you to our shops where we buy our stuff, where we buy everything, where we buy, I said everything. With me here is my friend, my friend Fox. That's Fox there. I normally chase her, if I'm going somewhere where I know I'm not coming back soon and she follows me. I normally chase her. So I just left here to follow me today. That reminds me, we now have a primary school at our village for ECDs. 1 ECDB, grade 1, 2, and 3. I just thought of sharing with you. If you are looking for where to stay, you should consider our village, especially if you have little kids. If you have little kids, as for some of us do not have kids anymore, we now have young men. We're growing young adults. I'm wearing a coat. This is a raincoat. It's raining. It was raining just now when I left, but it just stopped. And since it stopped, now I feel overdressed. So now we're going to our shops. This is the road. Ndabayiwa apa. I hope not I'm not itching. That reminds me, guys, my hands were itching. My hands are itching too much these days. My 2 hands and my feet. And when I slept yesterday, my hands started swelling. They're no longer swollen, but they're not back to 100% normal yet. But they're swollen a little bit now. But I can see. Gushung, Sise, Amkase, Hamuk, Kuribo, Krise going. Ya denya chain. Hey, Jara Sora, one Norarama. I got chain a Gushung. So the bayou. Remember, we are still on our way to the shops. It's only that I'm talkative, so sometimes I may miss the point. But this is the road to our shops. Road yekumagiro sakwedi. Nzira yekumagiro sakwedi. And as usual, I always carry my baby with me in case of emergency. I'm always available on the phone. I'm one of the very reliable people, guys. People close to me will tell you that I don't miss any calls. If I do, I don't know. Sometimes I'll just be in the fire run and my phone is in the house. But as soon as I see it, I return calls very fast. So if you want someone who's very reliable on calls, someone who communicates, someone you can send anyway and communicates very well, please consider me. I've given you my CV already. That was just my CV I was giving you. Oh, this was a tractor. You see, guys, these things. with that charger just coming home. So on that place, they charged me $55. Excuse me. On that place, they are tractoring. They charged me $55. It's a 55 by 30 Jimbo. And they charged me 55. Someone told me that they are tractors. Government tractors. Someone please correct me, but I've heard that. I forgot who told me, but I've heard that they are government tractors whereby people pay $60 for an acre. Is that true? If it's true, guys, please let me know where we can find them. Kunokumamisha kwedu, kunokumaruzeva kwedu, especially iye kwaSeke. Is that true? Because I'm going to need that every once a year from Dawedu. I'm going to need that every once a year from Dawedu. That's Shingari. Oh, Nasi Monday. I don't know why I keep thinking it's Nasi Tuesday. Guys, kunokwaseke people have cars. Hey, people have cars kunokwaseke. Saka rodi dzinotochereka zvekudaro. Kuno kana asina mota tinotoverengeka. But pamaitino, they don't have a car. Paningi, they don't have a car. And I'm one of the poor people in our village. Look at other people's houses. Nogmamisha kwedu. This is just a standard village. Kunoko. This is just a standard village. Kuno. See another water caused by cars. That's our suburb dog. Hey, Dumane Mbroi. Imagine. Would you want to pay you? Ina momerudo. Na meno chukisa. I'm sadari. Zadaroso. Mvare kwaSeke. Kwaniko mvare kwaSeke. Yadzoka Joni akatsvukirira. Vekupi kumba kwedu? Mwana wanu? So these are some of the business people are doing. So what I'm talking to is a fellow villager from Nomaseke. And yeah, so this is another business that people are doing. Uyu makes burgers and chips, fast foods, and also is a barber. Yes, my. We are almost at the shops. We are almost. You say Nairudo. Anakazi my baba. Yes, mfana. Mwanonu. Zvara ntoma zidzo dzandangoenda ku South Africa nekutodzoka. Asi mwana wekwedu. Asi mwana wekwedu. Ni koda kunaona raisi. Unaona nebvudzi. Saje kamu tora bang. Ruta kavanani. Yes, Rudo. Ini ndinokubhura ukasa. Wakasani mhore sandinotokubhura Rudo. Kutokubhura. Ondafira tesha kucheni. Anonererwa ushi. Anonererwa ushi. Abiado. Mbrise. Iko kwarira sei kuba. Kumba kwedu kuri bhokuri sei kwedu. Tiriko sora. Anditi. Tikubudamo. Sora kwese. Sura tonompinda wezvozvi. Mbrise. Yes.
Akunzwa ngomanje uthenge.
Ngiyadogenele mashops amntana akanimiromba. Konti inosha ndimbori neiko. Ambero inosha ndimbori nei.
Mawapwele mana unaketi.
Imari 50 cents. Kana mani 50 cents yako. Kana mchikwanisa upiwa. Pepa next dopenya. Oh, it's okay. Njeda plan kuti ndikupei. Njeda plan nichatuma mwana. Chatuma mwana ungoitora pepa vakatonikwetera 50 cents mfuni. Folks, atidi nzenza. Pasine nzenza.
Wadzakwasimba?
Inamo. Unenge wajaira. Inguva yekuri maka zvinezvi. Inguva yekuti mvura iri kunaya indodya munonzi muchi. Mutsine, mbonongwe, mazhema mbaira. Zvese nechingodya. Ndikutodawo maricho. Ndikutomatsvaga maricho. Ivudzenyu rakanaka asikana. Ndotogerwawo. Ndimbononzwa muzvinofamba. Ambiaridogedero mashops. Wakanyepoti kuyamba kwakunesurewo. Nezuro ndakana kwandakaenda. Handakana kwandakaenda nezuro. Nemari here medu. Hama dzepedyo ndodzinobhurokesa mbiarido. Ezvazvi makabhurokeswa nakedha. Imagine. Munhu anozongokuti ga. Ndokupa mbiarido. Konero rwakana mbiarido andiri kuona. Mina ndina mandendi ka. So guys, these are our shops. Kuno kunonzwa ng'ona. Kunonzwa ng'ona kunoko. Kwang'ona. 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 Oh! Ew! Amkase. Mush. Kwang'ona. Oh yes, talk my shops. So it's 10 minutes walk to our shops. I do my shops here, guys. Guys, pana Eco Cash. Zvokuti wakaisa Eco Cash kuno kunofa nemari. Hakuna Eco Cash. Kuno kwanditengesa neEco Cash vanoisa interest. Vanoisa ma-interest machiko 10%, 5%. You get 5-10% of anything you purchase in Eco Cash. So consider that. Consider. Okay. Enough made up my mind. This is the last person I'm greeting. Underneath, Ted. Our main shops and where we buy. Ndomune zvakawanda. So tunosvika wobvunza zvinhu zvakawanda zvinenge zvirimo. Because you don't want to wapinda mimwe shop wobvunza kuti nechingwa wobva havana. Kuti kune chakati wobva havana. Saka that doesn't work. Better ungeenda mune zvese. Ndo muchigaya medu. Where you also buy my fish. Amkase. Muse masimba here. Tiripo makadiwo zvenyu mimi. Aiwa tina nedu. Tiripo isu. Muri sei? Na Rozhija. Anditika? Muri waizi?